India's future isn't being built only in labs, universities, or corporate boardrooms. Some of the country's most remarkable ideas came from children and teenagers who looked at everyday problems and simply asked, why can't we solve this? From NASA and the United States to Google, the White House, and international science fairs, these young Indians have taken their ideas to the world. This 15th August, meet 15 young Indians whose 15 innovations made India very proud. Rifat Shahrukh. At just 18, Rifat Shahrukh built Kalam Sat, a tiny satellite weighing only around 64 grams. Made using carbon fiber technology, the satellite was launched into space on a NASA-linked mission. What started as a teenager's experiment became a remarkable movement for Indian space innovation. Vinisha Uma Shankar. Only at 14, Vinisha looked at a common street-side ironing cart and saw an environmental problem. She designed a solar power ironing cart that could replace charcoal burning irons with clean energy. Her innovation took her all the way to COP26 in Glasgow, where she addressed global leaders. Anirudh Ganeshan. How do you transport vaccines through places without reliable electricity? At just 15, Anirudh Ganeshan developed Vaxwagon, a wheel-powered mobile refrigeration system designed to transport vaccines across difficult terrain without conventional electricity. His innovation earned him a place at the White House Science Fair, where he presented his work to the US President. Kavya Vignesh. At just 12, Kavya Vignesh created Bee Savior, a robot designed to help safely relocate honeybees without harming them. Her innovation wasn't just about technology, it was about protecting an essential part of our ecosystem. She also led India's youngest all-girls team to the global first Lego League in Denmark. Akash Manoj. At just 15, Akash worked on a low-cost, non-invasive skin patch designed to help identify biomarkers associated with silent heart attacks. His idea focused on something crucial in healthcare: detecting danger before it becomes a catastrophe. The young innovator showcased his work at international medical forums and was also hosted at Rashtrapati Bhavan. Jui Keskar. When Jui Keskar saw her uncle struggling with Parkinson's disease, she didn't just watch. She researched the program and developed J-Tremor 3D, a wearable device that tracks and analyzes tremors using sensors and motion data. Her innovation earned international recognition and she received the Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar. Jain Samdhani. A visit to India changed Zain Samdhani's life forever. After seeing his partially paralyzed uncle struggle with everyday tasks, the young robotics enthusiast began developing NeuroAxle Heal, an affordable robotic rehabilitation device for patients with neurological injuries. His work made him a Google Science Fair finalist and later took him to the global stage at the Microsoft Imagine Cup. Anand Tagar. What if technology could help visually impaired people see their surroundings without using their hands? That was the idea behind G4B, goggles for blind, developed by young innovator Anand. Using ultrasonic sensors and echolocation inspired by technology, the device was designed to help users detect obstacles. His work earned recognition and represented Indian grassroots innovation on the global stage. Angad Daryani. At just 15, Angad built a low-cost open-source 3D printer. His goal was very simple: make technology more accessible to students, innovators, and ordinary people who could not afford expensive machines. But Angad didn't stop there. His later work explored large-scale air purification and sustainability solutions. Tenet Aditya. Can a banana leaf become sustainable alternative to plastic? Yes. Young innovator Tenet developed a chemical-free preservation technique designed to dramatically extend the usable life of banana leaves. His eco-material innovation earned recognition at international inventors competitions. Himesh Chandalwara. At just 12, Himesh created a smart wristband designed to help monitor elderly people living with Alzheimer's. The device can track vital information and trigger alerts in situations such as falls or wandering away from a safe location. His innovation won Macmillan Budding Scientist Award. Sulochana Kokodia. Sulochana was an 8th grade student when she noticed the difficult and hazardous conditions faced by sanitation workers. Instead of simply noticing the problem, she designed an automatic toilet cleaning system aimed at reducing manual labor. Her innovation was selected through Inspire Manak for a youth science exchange in Japan. Nikia Shamshe. A hospital visit exposed young innovator Nikia to the devastating impact of oral cancer. She began researching early detection and developed QuidPuff, a low-cost diagnostic concept that uses saliva-based biomarker reaction to indicate potential risk. Her work earned major recognition, including the Diana Award. Siddharth Mandala. After the 2012 Nirbhaya case, Siddharth Mandala began thinking about women's safety. At just 12, he started developing ElectroShoe, a wearable safety device designed to help women alert others during threatening situations. He spent years refining the concept and speaking to hundreds of women while developing the product. Shalini Kumari. For many elderly and physically challenged people, stairs can turn into daily obstacle. Young innovator Shalini designed a modified adjustable walker with spring-loaded front legs intended to make climbing stairs safer and easier. Her inclusive design earned recognition at the international innovation exhibitions. These young innovators came from different cities, different backgrounds and different circumstances, but they had one thing in common. They saw a problem and chose to build a solution. And that is perhaps the most powerful meaning of Atmanirbhar Bharat, a generation that doesn't just ask what India can achieve, but asks what they can create for India and for the world. This Independence Day, let's celebrate not just the India we inherited, but the India these young minds are building. Happy Independence Day, Jai Hind. For more such stories, follow the CSR Journal.